Sheer persistence and endless dedication help one achieve the desired targets. The same was the case with Elon Musk's Tesla in 2020. People who did not believe in Tesla saw the company overtake other competitors. 2021 is no different for Tesla. Tesla has set clear goals for its fiscal year, and the company is adamant about reaching them. 2021 is the year when the company will take major steps towards its #1 objective. Welcome to another Business Automated video. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. That way, when we post more content like this, you will get notified. Now, let's get back to our main topic. Any company enjoying success would love to expand. Tesla aims for the same. On the 2nd of January 2021, Gene Munster reported that Tesla is working tirelessly to meet the growing demands. For this purpose, Tesla is looking to establish its bases in Austin, Texas. Elon Musk has already moved to Texas. This move will allow him to avoid otherwise heavy taxes, which he would have had to pay while residing in California. Internationally, Tesla has already established its bases in Shanghai. The Gigafactory in Shanghai was the first Tesla base to have been built in China. Elon Musk, since then, has entertained the idea of worldwide expansion. Their next target for 2021 is Brandenburg, Germany. In his interview, Munster claimed that Tesla would have a fully operating factory in Germany by the end of 2021. Elon Musk has been keen on establishing Tesla's base in India. In reply to a tweet on the 27th of December 2020, he stated that there might not be a possibility of the company's landing in India in January of 2021. He further noted that it might happen later in the year. Nitin Gadkari, who is India's Union Minister for Road and Highway Transport, confirmed on the 29th of December 2020 that Tesla would be functional countrywide in 2021. Tesla promised the release of Model Y in January of 2021. The Model Y has already been launched by the Shanghai base in the first week of January. Initially, Elon Musk promised it for the spring of 2021, and the cost was speculated to be around $39,000. The plans changed, and Tesla has now made Model Y available for the public for $41,990. Model Y comes with a range up to 150 miles. Its long-range variant costs $49,990. Elon Musk also announced that in July 2021, they would start working on the company based in Austin. One of the vital projects of Austin-established Tesla will be the Cybertruck. Tesla has been talking about the Cybertruck since 2019. Tesla has not yet confirmed the rumors of Cybertruck. Seeing the company's work rate, we can expect it to happen in 2021. 2 of the 3 variants of Tesla's Cybertruck can be expected to arrive in 2021. The first to come will be its triple-motor variant, the most powerful of the 3. It will be followed by the dual-motor variant later in the year. The single-motor version is expected to be launched by early 2022. This will be the cheapest of the 3 and affordable for a considerable number of people. In the first week of 2021, Al Branch is leading the market and topping the S&P 500 chart. But Tesla isn't lagging behind much. Tesla has secured the second spot with a 24.7% rise. This rise took Tesla CEO Elon Musk to the top of the world's wealthiest people list. If the growth continued at the same rate, Tesla would be matching its last year numbers within just 2.5 months. Analysts and people worldwide have been skeptical about Tesla's success and whether the company will be able to achieve the same in 2021. Tesla shares have grown by 743%, and some did not receive it well. Bill Gross, on the 6th of January 2021, stated that Tesla is overpriced. This hinted at the doubts that people have about Tesla's dream climb. On the 21st of October 2020, Elon Musk was on a conference call. One of the analysts asked him if they could expect Tesla to be manufacturing around 840,000 to 1 million vehicles in 2021. Elon Musk did give a positive response to this question, stating that the targeted numbers for 2021 are in the vicinity. Therefore, we can expect Tesla to be piling up the number of cars. With the establishment of the company's base in Austin and Brandenburg, they might end up comfortably exceeding the target. Recently, rumors spiced up again about Apple launching their own electric car by 2024. Electric vehicles saw exponential success in 2020. Thus, more companies are willing to invest their money in this business. For Tesla, Apple might be another rival. Tesla will have to keep living up to its promises and ensure users' safety while delivering quality products to leave its competitors behind. At the top, the company cannot afford to be complacent, especially when the fierce rivals are looking for a weak point to pounce upon. During the first week of 2021, Volkswagen reported the highest sales in Norway. In a similar manner to Tesla, Volkswagen has promised to release a low-cost electric car by 2023. The Volkswagen electric car will provide deadly competition for Tesla. 2021 will be the year when Tesla will have to set the tone right for its future projects. At the moment, they are facing three-way competition from Volkswagen, Honda, and Toyota, with Apple too expected to jump into the race sooner or later. At the Battery Day event of 2020, Elon Musk announced that Tesla would be launching a $25,000 electric car by 2023. The expectations are high. Team Tesla has earned success through their immense dedication to the cause. 2023 might be too far. They might surprise the public in 2021. A considerable amount of $13,000 would have to be cut from their current electric car model, costing $38,000 if they want the project to be accomplished. Throughout a number of years, people have speculated, and Elon Musk himself hinted at the possibility of an electric vertical takeoff and landing jet. 2021 might not be the year when this happens. However, 2021 can well entice Tesla into taking on this project. The world would go crazy upon hearing the news of an aircraft running on electricity. A significant role in the Tesla projects is played by the batteries and energy density that they deliver. Currently, Panasonic is working on the 4680 battery cells. The battery cells will be an upgrade to the 2170 battery, which Tesla has been using since 2017. Batteries are the game changers. A battery delivering a high energy density of around 400 watt-hours per kilo and a long life cycle is what Tesla desires to develop in 2021. The company is keen to introduce new means of effective storage that are low cost. In an interview on the 28th of January 2016, Elon Musk remarked that he wishes to go into space by 2021 and Mars by 2025. Can this be the year? We know that Elon Musk has gone on from having his company rejected by Apple to being chased by Apple in the race for superiority. With a man like Elon Musk in the office, anything is possible. Going into space is nothing unheard of. Elon Musk might have hinted at a voyage to the moon though. The first week of January 2021 has followed the same trend as the last quarter of 2020. Tesla's stocks are continuing to grow. The pace at which they are elevating will see Tesla break all the records by mid-year. Given the rival companies stay fruitless in an attempt to pull Tesla behind, Tesla will have an almost invincible lead by the end of the year. Elon Musk has been playing cautious cards these days. Getting complacent isn't something that Elon has done in the past, and he won't be doing it now. He has ordered his employees to cut down the expenses of manufacturing. We can soon expect to hear some more surprising news from the company with Elon Musk in charge. We have heard and seen many cases of falls from grace. There are countless possibilities for 2021. We can expect a close battle for supremacy between Volkswagen electric car and the Tesla electric car. The future is uncertain. Toyota was the race leader when 2020 started. Tesla is leading the race at the dawn of 2021. Things do shuffle quickly. The only way success can be enjoyed is by maintaining it. 2021 can prove to be the most prolific year to date for Elon Musk and Tesla. It has already taken Elon Musk to the top. The only thing certain is that technology will advance and impact our lives. How much of it will hold true, we'll see at the end of the year. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. You can also go to our Business Automated channel profile to see if we've posted another video update on this topic. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on another Business Automated video.